The next Church Center tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the calendar of events. Now, if you want to stay up to date on everything that's going on in your congregation and the core, this is a perfect spot to go. Once you open up the app, if you go down to the bottom footbar, you'll see things like home, give, groups, calendar, and more. We'll get into the more section in another tutorial. But go ahead and click calendar. This will give you a viewing of either tiles or a list. If you want to change the way you view the calendar, just click on that top right where it has the little hamburger symbol. Click that, and it will change your view with the dates and what's going on. As you notice, the drop-down bar says all categories. Here, it's going to show you everything in every congregation that's going on. But if you want to filter that and just see what's going on in your congregation, you can go ahead and do that and just find out what is going on in your congregation. Or again, you can either click Core Christian Community or all categories, and it will show you everything. But I want to show you a really cool option and feature inside of calendars to keep you even more organized. Let's just say I want to scroll down and go to Core Men's Group. You just click that, and it'll give you a description, one of where it is located, where it's going to be, what it's about, how to get connected. But if you scroll to the top, if you'll notice the little drop down, it says add bookmark. If you click that, you can bookmark that. That way you don't have to go find this again if it gets drowned out in a bunch of other events. So what you do is you click your profile at the top right. If you click that, you can go down under schedule, and it will show you everything that you've bookmarked that you are interested. Kind of like how Facebook does the events on I'm interested or I'm going. This will give you everything that you have highlighted and what you want to do. But let's say you don't want to log in to the app and go to calendar every time. Well, you can link this straight to your phone's calendar. If you go to actions, go down to subscribe to calendar feed. And what's interesting about that, it will now go to your phone's calendar. So all you have to do is open up your calendar and it will show up there. That is pretty much it for calendars and events. Stay up to date. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please email David at mycorecommunity.com.